Hi everybody. So today in this lecture we will continue solving exercise XLVII page 35. So let me first recall the given. We have AE equals AC, AB equals AD, and the two angles AEC and ACE are equal. Also, we proved that the two sides DE and BC are equal in part 1 in the previous lecture. So question 2 is required to prove DE equals to BC. So as I said, let us prove that two triangles BEC and DEC are congruent. So in order to prove two triangles congruent, we need to look on the equal sides and the equal angles that we have either given or proved. So the first thing to realize is that we have the two sides DC, which is a side in the triangle DEC, is equals to BE, that is a side in the triangle BCE. These two sides are equal because they are proved in part 1. Also, we have the two angles AEC and ACE equal, given, and we have EC as a common side in the two triangles. So then we can deduce that these two triangles are congruent by side angle side. So now we can conclude or we can deduce the homologous elements. So we have three corresponding elements. We have one side and two angles. So the first two sides equal are DE equals to BC. So now we can say that DE equals BC because these two triangles are congruent, and DE is a side in triangle DEC, while BC is a side of triangle BCE. Also, we can say that angle DEC is equals to angle BCE, sorry, and the two angles CBE is equals to EDC. So from the homologous or the corresponding elements, we can say that we can deduce that the two sides DE and BC are equal. So now moving to part 3, required to prove the two triangles DBE and DBC are congruent. The first thing to do is to join the 2 points B and D. So first thing to realize is that the two sides DE is equals to BC, where DE is a side in triangle DBE and BC is a side in triangle DBC, and these sides are equal, proved by part 2. Also, another side CD is equals to BE, which is proved in part 1, and we have a common side which is BD, common side between the two triangles. So side. Now we can conclude that these two triangles are congruent by side. So finally, what I want to say, please don't forget to write the correction of this exercise on your copybooks, and if you have any question, please contact me. And so as a homework, please review this exercise and then solve page 35, exercise XLVI.